Tonight, we're conquering the bane of night photography, the dreaded lens flare. And we're doing it right here in Lightroom. This unsightly bright spot isn't just an artifact. It robs your image of crucial detail and contrast. Let's dive into the develop module and start by identifying the flare. Our first weapon is the healing brush. Select it and ensure your brush size comfortably covers the flare. Carefully click and drag over the brightest part of the flare. Lightroom will intelligently sample an area nearby to replace it. Often, a single pass isn't enough for stubborn remnants. We'll refine it now. Navigate to the spot removal tool. With the spot removal tool set to heal, paint over any lingering traces. Repeat this process for all flares in your image. Once the flares are gone, we can restore the lost detail. Go to the basic panel. Gently increase the contrast and clarity sliders. This will bring back the punch and sharpness that the flare obscured. For even more crispness, head to the detail panel. Apply a touch of sharpening, and if needed, some nose reduction to smooth out any artifacts. And just like that, we've transformed the compromised night shot into a stunning, clear masterpiece. Say goodbye to unwanted artifacts and hello to the true beauty of your night photography.